believe there is. Sure. Alright, different subject matters for today. Let me introduce you to the customs board. She got 100 cc's, 60, of power.
Chinese raw power.
And a
Single jug.
and a no changing transmission at all, and a sprocket that's way too small. In other words, too big, because you know, on the back tire, the smaller it gets, the faster it spins the tire. She ain't a climber. Okay?
And this is 27-inch rims, right?
Yes.
Or 27-inch tires.
27-inch tall tire from the rubber. So yeah, she's not a sprinter.
She's a beauty.
But she's fun. And I don't even think I can get it started on gravel, to be honest with you.
Alright, I apologize. I should have been filming. He was at his best there, but I missed it. Here we go.
Chinese power.
Yeah, give her the beans. There we go. Probably gonna have some wind noise.
Pretty freaking nimble. Hot to the touch, oily all over, but my most reliable, but not the most reliable. The red one's more reliable. I will say that. The red one is pretty damn punchy, but the only problem is it doesn't have this tall gear ratio, so she only goes about 18. How fast do you think we were going? 35?
You know, I didn't look at the speedometer, but yeah, we were booking. I mean, this thing was full throttle. I was having a hard time catching up with you until the last moment there, and
I had a little more climb, just a little, not a lot. I could have caught it up to about, I was doing around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, which is math.
yeah.
So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. We could be real daredevils, but that's up to you.
What?
Go over
down
to the bridge and see what they've done.
Yeah, we can do that. I don't mind.
Alrighty.
It's just down the road.
I got plenty of fuelage. I'm just letting this little two-stroke cool down a little. Yeah, look at that. It's like it didn't even use anything. It's like it runs on hopes and dreams. Instead of
Dinosaurs.
gas. Yeah. Lots of dinosaurs. High ester dinosaurs.
There's lots of Karens and
A lot of carrots.
whoa, 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 whoa.
That extra little bit of human horsepower there actually makes a damn difference.
Well, do you want to go that direction, or?
Can you get around that shit?
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
There's nothing that can keep me from.
I don't know how far to go, but yeah, we could.
Yeah. Fucker. Alright, well here we go. We're on our own adventure. There's the beautiful sunset. I don't know what time it is, but it's in the evening. There's fish in the stream. There's birds in the trees. And we're not going to get the cops called on us, hopefully. And hopefully he'll get the message when he doesn't see me. Turn around. Hello. Hello. Hopefully I don't lose the f***ing motorbike. Oh shit. What'd I do?
You're fine.
I'm lying.
Can you get it in the first?
You need. You son of a bitch. Alright.
Don't worry about nothing, man.
We're just having a picnic, that's all. So, what we're gonna do is not roll this thing. Will you stop pulling on the damn thing? Alright. You can get your ass over here.
What do you want me to run me over?
Get your ass over here.
I'm probably gonna get a tick.
I would like to bring your dad's motorbike back home in one piece, if that's okay.
Turn the wheels the other way and go up that way.
Go where?
Into the grass. Brendan's gonna do it. She ain't got four-wheel drive, son.
I think we're at too steep of an angle here.
Yeah.
We're on.
Well, the two of us might could just have to push it.
Let's turn the fuel off.
We've been walking it up one at a time. One side, then the other. One side, then the other. That's what it does when you try to get out. It gets closer to the hill. Sorry you guys missed out on a big chunk of work. A lot of funny shit happened while you were gone. There was some English guy, I kid you not, actually from England, who offered us about an ounce of help.
He wanted to stay
He was
here.
terrified, Brandon. I don't know if that motor is gonna fall off the seat and break the screen off.
Don't breathe. We're doing good.
We're doing good. Poor camera. Oh. Yeah, that's what the camera's about to do.
Shut up.
All right,
Ready?
No.
Front.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
This is what
Turn
we've
that
been
thing.
doing.
Turn that thing.
I know. This is what we've been doing. This is the process of getting this thing out. It also doesn't want to start.
2, 3. Good.
Good old reliable Yamaha. Don't want to start when you need it to.
Let's get this one more.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
It's quite great. I don't know, Brandon. You think you can get out now?
Let's get the front end. 1, 2, 3.
Now, you wish it was a blaster. Will she start?
Gotta hold it all the way open. With the gas on.
There she goes. She chirped. All right. Like this.
Scaring the cows.
Just a couple. Wow. Don't do it again. From the grave. Yeah, that's too much angle. She won't come out of that. So yeah, that was very helpful. Hey, should have kept that. Yeah.
My calves hurt.
Pretty soon your brain's gonna hurt.
My brain doesn't hurt yet because we didn't use that much science.
We trusted in the science.
Gave the cows a show.
Sounds like you gave it its Yamaha.